Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, it can now be clearly said with utmost confidence that West Bengal is definitely heading towards president's rule. The judiciary has finally realized that there is nothing like rule of law in the state of West Bengal. It feels hopeless and inconfident about the government of West Bengal. The court had to send a three-member team for rehabilitation of people displaced by the horrors of the post-poll retributive violence. Also, the court had to warn the West Bengal government that if the team is attacked or obstructed, then it shall be considered as contempt of the court. Then NHRC, that is National Human Rights Commission team, also visited the violence hit areas. The NHRC team was also attacked. Finally, NHRC team could submit its report, and a hearing that took place today in Calcutta High Court. The High Court has given a huge setback to Mamata Banerjee government. Let me read some news articles. Calcutta High Court issues contempt of court notice to South Calcutta DCP after obstruction of NHRC team probing post-poll violence. The court also ordered for a second post-mortem report to be conducted with respect to BJP worker Avijit Sarkar, who was allegedly killed by a mob in the wake of post-poll violence in the state. Calcutta High Court orders Bengal government to register all cases, ensure victims' treatment. The court has issued a show cause notice to the district magistrate and the superintendent of police of Jadavpur, asking as to why contempt of court proceedings should not be started against them, because they disobeyed the court orders. Calcutta High Court directs second autopsy of slain BJP member's body, asks police to register FIRs on NHRC recommendations. Now NHRC has got so much power that NHRC can say to register FIRs to the police, and the police is bound to register FIRs. So they cannot find any excuses not to register any FIRs. So what we can see from the court's orders is that the court doesn't feel confident about the West Bengal government. It has lost the confidence in the West Bengal government. The judiciary has lost the confidence in the West Bengal government. We must say this. Governor of West Bengal said that a report is being sent to Home Ministry every month. Him saying that the violence news covered by the media is not even 10% of what really happened. He says that the violence is still going on in many parts of the state of West Bengal. A report says that 7,000 women were molested during the violence. So having said that, let's hope for the justice for the people of West Bengal. And let me remind you, 5th of August 2019, Article 370 was gone. 5th August 2020, Ramlala Mandir Bhumi Pujan took place, and the coming date is 5th of August 2021. Let's hope that the government, the central government, restores the rule of law and democracy in the state of West Bengal. Let's hope for the best, and we can witness that there are some things which are going on behind the curtain, and the result will be out soon before 5th of August 2021. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.